there is so much beauty. Kana tiri kunzi kwenyika tinovhaira neManicaland tichiti it's the natural best landscape in the southern region of Africa. No heritage yamakapiwa imikuno na mwari. Feel proud of it. No one else has it in the country. No one else has it in SADC. No one else has it in Africa. And nobody else has it in the world. Tabatana nations topfeka kupfeka kwekwedu. National bed neyangu newe. Aya mapete na ya kama wangwa. Deyangu newe nokuti ndo Zimbabwe renyika yedu, our great Zimbabwe. Let's be able to define it. Let's be able to wear it even in the office. Dafara chona mama na baba bikuzayoja pataita nabo briefing tuda ukutendai bakapfeka our national dress. It's even allowed to wear it in church. In your natural hair, you look beautiful. In your natural skin, you look pretty. Mukupfeka kwekwedu kunonzeva rumeve kwedu tsika ndikurore. Unowanikwa. Kuwanikwa ndozvotoita kwedu. Kufunga kunonzi unorohwa. Ukafamba uri half naked. Vanokuitawo half naked. Varume vekwedu kuZimbabwe vechivanhu chekwedu vanoda kuziva kuti pasi pemakumbo anovharwa kusvika kutsoka panei. Ndizvo vane baba. Kana vofunga kutamba havo nevanhukadzi vanoenda kunowanikwa ivavo vanopfeka zvinosiya dzimwe nyama panze. Itsika namagariro ekwedu.
The Queen represents the youth, represents everyone here in Zimbabwe. So we want a Queen who's able to articulate themselves well, who's able to stand up confidently among a group of people. We want a Queen who is able to stand up for all the other young ladies. So it was a very difficult task, and I want to wish you all the best. Whoever makes it today, you have a lot of work ahead of you. Thank you.
You can take your final walk. Uhuru as she takes a final walk on the ramp.
Contestant number 14, we are giving her 700 US.
Congratulations, Makorokoto. I'm so First princess, the young women and the whole team.
Our queen is number 9. We're giving you 1,000 years.
he or she can tour Zimbabwe? Thank you.
The same question, contestant number 3.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for the question. If I was to meet someone who is not Zimbabwean, and I am to sell Zimbabwe as a brand to them, I would say there is no better place to be than Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is filled with diversity of cultures. There is so many languages that are spoken there. There is nice food, and we talk of the majestic Victoria Falls, Mosi Oyatunya. It's actually one of our most best-selling places. So Zimbabwe is a place to be. Thank you.
Contestant number 4.
Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the question. If I'm to meet someone who's not from Zimbabwe, I'll tell them that Zimbabwe is a very peaceful country full of innovative people that are willing to grow their nation economically and sustainably. Thank you.
Good evening once again. If I was to meet someone who's not from Zimbabwe, I would tell them that Zimbabwe, a tourist attraction, with people who are willing to build their nation in line with Vision 2030. Brick by brick, together we're going to make the nation better. Thank you.
Contestant number 9.
Thank you for the question. If I am to meet someone who is not from Zimbabwe and I am to represent my country as one of the most beautiful countries in the world, I would say, what a landlocked country with the highest waterfall in Africa. How would you think about that? What a country with the big 5. What a united country. What a country with people who are still working on their culture. People who are still keeping their heritage. People who wear same clothing as a nation in oneness. I thank you.
Allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to take all of you as that one person that I would meet and market my beautiful country. First and foremost, Zimbabwe is more than Victoria Falls. Of course, we host one of the biggest and 7 wonders of the world, registered by World UNESCO, the heritage site Victoria Falls. It is more than that. It is characterized by 7 more wonders. I believe you're looking at the 8th. Wonderful people, characterized by warmth and friendliness embedded in them. Pristine wildlife and nature. The best cuisine in the country, directed by our own First Lady, who lives not just in our country, but in Africa as a whole. Zimbabwe, Mosi Oyatunya, the smoke that thunders. We do not just stand there, we have the peak of the country, Mountain Nyangani. You are in Mutare, such vegetation. Go to Vumba Mountains. There is more to see in Zimbabwe. I thank you.
The final contestant, number 10.
Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen. If I would meet someone who's not from Zimbabwe, I would ask them, why are you not staying in Zimbabwe, the most beautiful country of all, with the most beautiful sites ever, and the richest country of all, with the most expensive minerals. Thank you.
Thank you.
My picture. Okay. For the contact moment.
Number 8.
Contestant number 8. 7 minutes.
Everybody else, she has shown
qualities that make her the queen of the
queen of Zimbabwe.
Contestants.
Number ambassador.
Hakuna kana drum roll right here.
Uko pende. Oh, that is so late.
Okay, some drum roll. Thank you. That was important. Contestant number 11.
Muchengetedza zvese zvamanga muchitaura pano kuti muchaita nekushanda nekushandira nyika. Rambai muchienderera mberi. We love you so much and well done, Makorokoto.
Okay, the picture now.
This beautiful, auspicious event would like to hand over their gift.
Okay. Pane chipochikano chekudzicho chinoda kusvitswa kuvenye wedu vanokosha vanoremekedzwa. Apo tine press conference yetsva rakadenga yegore rimwe yemhemberero dzekusvitonga kuzere